Now see, we have already done approximately 20 numericals on states of matter. And now we're moving ahead with it. In this section, more to solve. I'm writing each and every question. You can and you should participate in the data. Whatever data you feel is there, you should participate and tell me. Please write with me. Question you can write with me. Question number 1, that is the numerical one. In the equation, PV equal to nRT, which one in the equation PV equal to nRT, which one cannot, now see I'm writing cannot capital so that your attention is driven to it. But my dear, in your MCQ exam, any such keyword is not capital. So you should be very careful while reading the question. How many of you feel you do mistake many times in MCQ just because you don't read carefully? Tell me.
Ma'am, I do.
Yeah, so that is so sad, you know, when we know but we didn't read carefully and we lost marks, isn't it?
Yes.
So the option A is 8.31 into 10 raised to 7 ergs per Kelvin per mole. Then we have 8.31 into 10 raised to 7 dienes centimeter per Kelvin per mole. Then we have 8.31 joule per Kelvin per mole. And the last one, 8.31 liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Tell me.
Option D.
Yes. Why?
Miss, because in liter atmosphere, the value of K would be 0.082.
0.0821. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, moving a step ahead in this question. Huh? Just moving a step ahead. The value of R is found this way. P into V upon where N and T are fixed. Huh? N and T are always, N is 1 mole and T is 273 Kelvin. Are you getting me? What do we change? We change pressure and volume only. That is, we take pressure in liter. No, we take pressure in atmosphere and we take volume in
Liters.
and that is also fixed. For 1 mole of a gas, it is always 22.4 liter. And this is always 1 atmosphere. If I am taking in atmosphere, this is fixed. Now, when I calculate this, it comes, this is mole, 1 mole. it comes 0.0821 liter atmosphere. This Kelvin goes up and mole up. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the way to calculate. Similarly, when I am calculating it in joule, when I am calculating it in joule, then can you say what I must be doing? Say, numerator will change, but the denominator is same. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 1 atmosphere should be written in pascals to calculate it in joule, to calculate R in joule. मतलब सीधी सी बात है यार, मुझे R का वैल्यू जूल्स में निकालना है, मुझे R का वैल्यू जूल्स में निकालना है, तो वो बोलता है भाई प्रेशर तुम सीधी बात है पास्कल्स में लो, न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर में लो, और वॉल्यूम तुम मीटर क्यूब में लो. तो जब आप वॉल्यूम 22.4 लीटर को मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करोगे तो क्या करोगे? 22.4 इंटू 10⁻³ मीटर क्यूब. समझ रहे हो क्या बोल रही हो? कि तक दिना दिन. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, miss.
और जब तुम 1 एटमॉस्फेयर को पास्कल में लिखोगे तो 1.01 और 1.05 इंटू 10⁵ पास्कल्स. और तुम्हें ये फाइल लेने की भी इतनी जरूरत नहीं, कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा कैलकुलेशन को. यू कैन सिंपली टेक 1 राउंडेड ऑफ वैल्यू, 1 इंटू 10⁵ पास्कल्स. यस और नो?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And when you calculate this, you will get R as 8.314 joule per Kelvin. Yes, मतलब सीधी बात है, 8.31 वैल्यू जूल में हो सकता है. अच्छा, जूल को अर्ग में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं?
1 joule is equal to 10⁻⁷ ergs.
1 जूल इज 10⁻⁷ अर्ग. तो भैया अगर 1 जूल 10⁻⁷ अर्ग है तो ये हो गया ना 8.37 इंटू 10⁻⁷ अर्ग. अच्छा, जब अर्ग लेते हैं तो आपका प्रेशर HρG होता है. लास्ट टाइम भी हमने किया था, अगर तुम्हें याद है ना? जहां H होता है हाइट ऑफ द मर्क्यूरी कॉलम, रो होता है डेंसिटी ऑफ मर्क्यूरी, और G होता है एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी. तो ये वैल्यू हो जाएगा वही 9 सेंटीमीटर पर केल्विन पर मोल, जो कि हमने अर्ग की जगह पे लिखा है. यस और नो? यानी ये सारे सही होंगे. और बहुत सीधी सी बात है, एकदम सीधी बात है. लीटर एटमॉस्फेयर में वैल्यू क्या आना चाहिए?
0.0821.
एटमॉस्फेयर पर केल्विन पर मोल. तो कौन सा गलत है? डी वाला. समझा आपको? और आपने लिख भी लिया मेरे साथ साथ
Yes, ma'am.
कि नहीं लिखा? ओके, साथ साथ में लिख लीजिए. बिकॉज देखो, हम बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स अब तक कर चुके हैं. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बेटा ये जो न्यूमेरिकल सेशन है ना बच्चा, ये कैसा होना चाहिए कि हम साथ साथ में कर रहे हैं, और जहां आप अटक रहे हो आप स्क्रीन देख रहे हो, लेकिन आपको खुद करने अब आना
चाहिए.
Those who are new can understand now what I did. Hello. The new students to the class, is it clear? Himesh is not answering, even Kirti is not answering.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम मैम आप वो 9 सेंटीमीटर का एक बार समझा सकते हो? वो मुझे नहीं समझा.
देखो, मान लेते हैं प्रेशर को मुझे 9 सेंटीमीटर के फॉर्मेट में, सुन रही हो ना, कन्वर्ट करना है यानी मुझे सीजीएस सिस्टम में उसे कन्वर्ट करना है। ठीक है, क्या कहा मैंने? मुझे
सीजीएस सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट करना है।
अब प्रेशर मान लो मुझे उसने दिया है, मान लेते हैं उसने मुझे प्रेशर दिया है mmHg में। ठीक है, और मुझे उसे कन्वर्ट करना है डाइन सेंटीमीटर। तो मुझे क्या ध्यान में रखना है कि जो भी प्रेशर मुझे दिया है वो mmHg में, यानी वो ये है, वो H है। ठीक है,
यस मैम।
और ये जो रो है ये डेंसिटी ऑफ मर्क्यूरी है जो है 13.6, और ये जो G है ये है एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी जो है 980। एक्सेलरेशन का यूनिट सेंटीमीटर पर
सेकंड स्क्वायर।
सेकंड।
तो इस तरह से मैं जो उसने मुझे mmHg में दिया है उसको मैं किस में कन्वर्ट कर दूंगी?
डाइन
सेंटीमीटर में। ठीक है,
यस मैम।
ओके।
मिस
यस,
मिस हम ऐसा इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं का दूसरा यूनिट डाइन सेंटीमीटर भी होता है, तो फिर डायरेक्ट
हाँ
उधर।
तभी तो हम कर रहे हैं, वही तो लास्ट लेक्चर में बताया था मैंने।
यस मिस।
लास्ट में वही तो कन्वर्ट किया था यार, है ना?
हाँ मिस।
इसीलिए आज मैंने उस पे इतना ये नहीं किया क्योंकि हम लास्ट टाइम वो कर चुके हैं। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मेरे साथ साथ लिख लो सब लोग। If pressure, volume and temperature represent, if P, V and T, pressure, volume, temperature are represented by these symbols, are you all writing with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If P, V, T represent pressure, volume and temperature of the gas, the correct representation, representation of Boyle's law will be, ऑप्शन दे रही हूं साथ साथ में लिख लो। ओके, बहुत आसान है।
ऑप्शन
C, ma'am.
Yes, I want somebody to state the law loud and clear and mathematically. Who will? Come on, quick. We can't waste so much time on that.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, my dear.
At a constant temperature for a given amount of gas, the pressure of the gas is directly proportional to the volume of the gas. Mathematically, P is directly proportional to V at constant temperature and constant number of moles. Therefore, PV is equal to constant. P1 and V1 for gas 1 and P2 and V2 for gas 2 is equal, which is equal to constant.
Very good. Very nice. I hope you all have completed this. Shall we proceed further, Bacha Party?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Let us go to the next question. Write with me. Are you writing with me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, everybody, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. ओके तो फटाक से पहले एक बार क्वेश्चन को पढ़ लेते हैं. क्या बोलते हो?
Yes, miss.
तो कौन पढ़ेगा? जोर से पूरी क्लास के लिए.
मैम कहना है.
यस.
A sample of given mass of gas at constant temperature occupies a volume of 95 centimeter cube under a pressure of 9.962 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per meter square. At the same temperature, its volume at pressure of 10.13 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per meter square is.
Yes, very good. बहुत बढ़िया reading. Very nice, very clear, very loud, very wonderful. Nice. So a sample of given mass of gas at constant temperature occupies a volume of 95 cm cube. So my dear beta, what should be the data?
P1 is equals to 9.962 into 10 raised to 4 Newton meter square.
Why you want to write P1, right? V ना आपके रास्ते में पहले V आया तो आप P पे क्यों जंप मारा भाई? Go step by step. And this is at P1 of 9.962 into 10 raised to 4. Are you writing with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. What is V2?
Unknown.
To find her.
Okay. So P2 is given
Yes, ma'am.
10.13 into 10 raised to 4. और कुछ दिया है?
मैम V1 को चेंज करना है.
चेंज करना अलग बात है. मैंने कहा और कुछ दिया है क्या? यस, टी कांस्टेंट। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये है, क्योंकि ये इशारा करेगा उसकी तरफ। किसकी तरफ? हाँ,
बॉयल्स लॉ।
यस, वो इशारा करेगा बॉयल्स लॉ की तरफ। करेक्ट। अब इसने बोला वॉल्यूम को चेंज करो, यूनिट कर दें क्या चेंज?
हाँ मैम।
यस मैम।
क्या है बेटा?
नहीं मैम, प्रेशर नहीं होएगा कन्वर्ट। Pressure, it will get hard to convert into atmosphere, so it is.
अच्छा, ना चेंज करूं तो? चलो देखते हैं।
मिस अगर नहीं चेंज किया तो भी आंसर सेंटीमीटर में होगा।
समझना चाहिए। ये देखो, ये देखो, एकदम ध्यान से बोर्ड देखते रहो, ठीक है? सॉल्यूशन, सॉल्यूशन में सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? फॉर्मूला। क्या ला? फॉर्मूला। सो P1 V1 इक्वल टू P2 V2। तो V2 इज इक्वल टू P1 इंटू V1 अपॉन, करेक्ट?
Yes ma'am.
अभी देखो, यूनिट डाल के देखो। P2 तुम्हारा न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर में, और ये तुम्हारा cm क्यूब में है, और ये तुम्हारा न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर में है, और ये तुम्हारा कट हो रहा है। कैन यू सी? इसलिए फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, तुमने इसे नहीं भी कन्वर्ट किया ना तो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि तुम्हारा वो वैल्यू तुम्हारे इस वैल्यू के यूनिट से वो इंटरैक्ट नहीं कर रहा है, आंसर को चेंज नहीं करेगा। नहीं समझा?
समझा नहीं।
योर आंसर ये समझ आना चाहिए तुमको। चलो ठीक है, अगर ये न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर में है और मुझे यूनिट मैच करना है, हाँ चलो यूनिट मैच करना है, तो वॉल्यूम किस में लेना चाहिए? अभी बताया था। बोल बेबी बोल, रॉक एंड रोल, जल्दी बोलो बच्चा। वॉल्यूम शुड बी इन, यार तुम बोलते नहीं हो। ये क्या है? देखो बताया मैंने, मीटर क्यूब। बोलते नहीं हो, देखने के बाद बोलते हो। तो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब को मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Into 10 raised to minus 6.
इंटू 10 raised to minus 6,
Yes ma'am.
ठीक है, अपॉन न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर, बराबर। अब मतलब तुम्हारा जो भी आंसर आएगा वॉल्यूम का, समथिंग इंटू 10 raised to minus 6, बरोबर कि नहीं?
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
अब जब तुम ये मीटर क्यूब को वापस सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में करोगे तो क्या करोगे?
Divide by 10, multiply by 10 raised to minus 6.
मल्टीप्लाई बाय
10 raised to 6.
हाँ, मतलब ये उड़ जाएगा ना भाई। cm क्यूब को मीटर क्यूब में करने के लिए इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो उल्टा करने के लिए इसको हटा दूंगी ना मैं। हेलो,
Yes.
Yes ma'am.
तो तुम्हारा आंसर को कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा?
नहीं।
यही समझ आना चाहिए। चलो फटाफट सब्स्टिट्यूशन किया तुमने कि खाली बैठ के सो ही रहे? नहीं, खाली बैठ के सुन ही रहे थे। कितना आया बोलो? बल्ला 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 बल्ला, जल्दी जल्दी बल्ला। You want me to solve?
93 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब।
Yes. ये देखो V2 था अपना 9.962 into 10 raised to 4 into 95 upon 10.13 into 10 raised to 4. ये गया वो गया, करेक्ट? हेलो,
Yes.
Yes.
ये उड़ाया, ये आया 10 raised to minus 3, ये उड़ाया आएगा 10 raised to minus, करेक्ट?
Yes.
यस। अब ये उड़ाया तो बच जाएगा 10 raised to minus,
Yeah.
यस और नो? ये हो गया 9962 इंटू 95 अपॉन
1013.
1013, यस और नो?
Into 10 raised to minus 1.
इंटू 10 raised to minus 1. अब तुम्हारे जो ऑप्शन है वो नजदीक नजदीक है या दूर दूर है? तुम्हें टेक्निक सिखा रही हूँ।
दूर है।
हमारे ऑप्शन दूर दूर है, दूर दूर है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ये रो कौन रहा है? कौन है ये?
जी.
ए झील, चुप रहना फिर। सो ऑप्शंस दूर दूर है, सो कैन आई टेक अप्रोक्सीमेशन?
Yes.
Yes.
यस ना?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो तो क्या करने का, इसको मैं ले रही हूँ 10,000, वही है ना नियर बाय, इसको 95 ले रही हूँ, ऐसा बता रही हूँ। तुम कर सकते हो एमसीक्यू में, लेकिन ऑप्शन दूर दूर होना चाहिए। इसको 1000 ले रही हूँ, कोई तकलीफ
नहीं.
तो ये सब गया, ये भी गया। 95 cm क्यूब अप्रोक्सीमेट है, हाँ एग्जैक्ट नहीं है, मुझे भी मालूम है, लेकिन मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया? क्योंकि मेरे पास ऑप्शन दूर दूर है। बस यही हो सकता है। यस और नो?
Yes.
तरीका समझा? समझा ना तुम्हें टेक्निक? So when options are do, when options are do, तभी तुम क्या करने का? Approximate ले सकते। I hope this is clear to everyone. Did you enjoy this technique, approximation वाला?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं अब। I hope you all have copied this.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
previous page can you show?
Before this,
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am, thank you.
okay. Okay, let us see this question. Please write with me.
मैम ये क्वेश्चन 4th है ना?
हाँ ठीक है, नंबर में कोई बात नहीं, अभी चेंज कर दूंगी, लिखना चालू करो फटाफट। ओके, okay, I'm giving you the graphs, make them very properly. It's a nice question, huh? It's not difficult, but it will look as if it is difficult. Volume in liter versus temperature in Kelvin. Can you just guess which law? Anyone? Volume versus temperature.
Charles law.
At 1 atmosphere
Charles law.
pressure. Yeah, at 1 atmosphere pressure, meaning pressure is
Constant.
Charles law. These are the 4 options, huh? Now they have given here 38.8 liter and 373 Kelvin. And here at this point, this is this point. Huh? At this point, they have given here they have given 30.6 liter and 373 Kelvin. Starting तो same ही होगा सबका. Standard P1 V1. Many people, if in finals, you know, will leave this question just looking at its face. थोबड़ा देख के छोड़ देंगे. Don't you think so? पता नहीं यार, ग्राफ क्या करना है. Yes or no? Hey, you people are there or no? Because I'm not getting कुछ कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा. I don't know where is everyone. I think my internet is not proper.
Ma'am, we are here.
Yes, we can hear.
Yes.
So why you people are not replying? At least say yes, no, something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is it. Lovely question. Now you know what we have to do? We know it is Charles' law. So what is
Yes.
Charles' law? Mathematical.
P1 upon T1 is equal to P2 upon T2.
Very good. V1 upon T1 equal to V2 upon T2. Do you know what is V1? सब में same है. What is V2?
It's
Like
different.
from B2
सब में अलग अलग है, तो we will keep it question mark. We will find it. Then T1
273.
73 Kelvin.
and T2.
373 Kelvin.
Now you know what we can do. We can find V2. Don't you think so?
Yes, ma'am.
V1 into T2 upon. Must question hai. I like this question. So 373 upon 273. Just tell me how much you are getting. Now, my dear, whatever you get, अभी ये तुम्हारा volumes है. See? Are you getting me? These are your volumes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it matches with whomever is the answer. Nice question or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Just tell me what is the answer V2 quickly. जल्दी जल्दी सॉल्व करिए.
Option B.
You got 28.6.
Approximately.
No, you can't take approximation here because they are very close, beta.
I got C option.
Yeah, C is right. C is the right answer. V2 will come 30.6 later. You know what I like in this? I like the style in which the question is. What you all say?
Yes, ma'am.
Right now, we have to take the data from the graph, meaning something different. Okay, shall I proceed further, my dear?
No, ma'am. 1 second. Done, ma'am.
Please write the question with me. The density of a gas at 27 degrees centigrade and 1 atmosphere is D. Pressure remaining constant. Pressure remaining constant. At which of the following temperatures? At which of the following temperatures at which of the following temperatures will its density become (0.75 D? Yeah? You want me to solve or you will? Hello? I'll solve. What you said? Hello? Okay. Temperature is also constant, no?
No.
है ना? Density of gas at 27 degree.
We have to find another temperature.
Okay, very good. So who is constant?
Pressure.
The pressure.
Okay, lovely. Shall I help you? See, PV is equal to hello, RT. Density is mass upon volume.
Ma'am, is it 400 Kelvin?
Very good, wonderful. So volume is mass upon density. So if I substitute here, I get P into mass upon density equal to RT. Is it clear till here, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So P into M is D into R into T. Is it clear?
Yes.
So can I say D into T is P into M by R? Can I say this full is constant?
Yes, ma'am.
Because P is given constant in the question. Yes or no, bacha party?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
M is fixed mass. Is the mass of gas fixed? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And we all know R is a gas constant. So I can say D into T is equal to a constant. So I can say D
D1, T1 is equal to D2, T2.
very good. I want to find T2.
Yes.
T2 is D1 into T1 upon D2. So D1 is D. T1 is 300. Hello, bachcha.
हाँ
And
मैं
0.75 times D. So T2 is ये गया वो गया 300 and 2 more 0 upon 75. आ गया ना आंसर?
Yes, ma'am.
मजा आया. Next question ना. आगे बढ़े हम लोग. तुम्हारा हो गया? बोलो बोलो आगे बढ़े.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm giving you next question, huh? And I want you to do it on your own. Will you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, ready. All eyes on the board. The density. Question मेरे साथ साथ लिख लेना. The density of methane at 2 atmosphere pressure and 27 degrees centigrade is A. Please solve. Shall I give you 1 minute to solve? I'll not speak for 1 minute, huh? बोलो बोलो जल्दी बोलो.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, option A.
Yes, my dear.
Option A.
Everyone got A?
Yes, I'm getting C.
C is the right answer. थोड़ा सा डेसिमल में गड़बड़ हुआ है तुम्हारा बेटा, जिसको ए मिला है.
Yes, ma'am, I'll check.
न्यूमेरिकल में देखो, डेसिमल्स में बहुत ध्यान देने का. देखा, चेक किया?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
got 1.29, so approximately.
That's okay. That's okay. Now I want to know, anybody wants me to solve? Yes, at least I will write the steps. Huh? Hello.
Yes.
I'm just writing the steps. See, children, just now we saw this. Do you remember? Hey, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Now P is 2 atmosphere. Do you know molar mass of methane?
16. Carbon whole.
बराबर. कार्बन का 12 और हाइड्रोजन का 1, तो 4 हाइड्रोजन का 4. Since you see everything in liter, I am taking R as. Also, I see this in atmosphere, so I am taking R in liter atmosphere. Yes, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Per Kelvin per mole. And T is 27 plus 300, that is 27 plus 273, that is 300 Kelvin. Okay. Now I want D. So D, which is this, is P into M upon R into T. Yes or no?
Yes.
2 into 16 upon yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So that will come out to be 1.3 gram per liter. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. आगे बढ़े. आगे
Yes, ma'am.
बढ़ें।
Yes, ma'am.
हे बच्चा लोग, मेरे साथ में क्वेश्चन लिख लो। The number of moles of hydrogen in of gas at, that is 273 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere. This is STP. What is the full form of STP? Anyone remembers?
Standard temperature and pressure.
Standard temperature and pressure.
थोड़ा गलत है. Standard unit of temperature and pressure. Okay.
Yes.
चलो, n निकालना है ना, और आइडियल गैस है, तो आइडियल गैस और n तो ऑब्वियसली PV इक्वल टू nRT. यस और नो बच्चा पार्टी? सो n is P into V upon R into T. So P is 1. ये रहा. This is 0.224. R is 0.0821. And T is STP बोला है ना, और ये रहा ना, वो तो ब्रैकेट में, माय डियर, ब्रैकेट में उसने टेम्परेचर और STP प्रेशर दिया, नहीं देता तो भी अपने को पता था ना.
Yes.
Tell me how much you are getting. Don't do approximately.
Ma'am, option C. Ma'am,
Checking. Yes. Very good. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. आगे बढ़े बच्चा लोग. ये बच्चा लोग.
Last one.
Okay. Nice question. Theoretical, but with a formula approach. Density of a gas is highest at 100 degrees centigrade, 1 atmosphere. Can you try what to do? What comes to your mind? Let me see. What's the logic you apply? Think little bit.
Miss, can I tell?
Hmm.
मिस डेंसिटी इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल रहेगा टेम्परेचर से, तो फिर हायर द डेंसिटी लोअर द प्रेशर.
Lower the
टेम्परेचर सॉरी, तो फिर 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 1 एटमॉस्फेयर.
Yes, ma'am. Option C is correct.
very good. Anyone wants me to explain?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See. Just now you did. Do you agree to this equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now you know density is correct. So density is correct. M is molar mass. R is gas constant. Are they constant? Hello.
Yes, miss.
So density is direct to and inverse to. Come on, you're not answering only.
Yes, miss.
So density is direct to. You should answer what?
Pressure.
And inverse to temperature.
Inverse to temperature.
So density is maximum at, come on,
Lowest temperature.
low temperature and
Highest
High
pressure.
pressure.
अभी pressure तो सब में same है, तो this is the answer.
हाँ miss.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. आपने लिख लिया, तो हम आगे बढ़े.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, interesting question. In a mole of water vapor, at STP, what is the full form of STP?
Standard unit of temperature and pressure.
Standard
Very good.
temperature.
Very good. Have you written the question?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all are writing the options now. Be quick. It's a nice question. मजा आएगा. Tough नहीं है. Nice doesn't mean tough. Okay. Come on now, tell me. What comes to your mind, or shall I solve? Hey, you are not answering only. Hey, I'm audible.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then please tell me, you want me to solve?
Yes, ma'am. 8 and
Okay. In a mole of water, 1 mole water means how much water in gram? It simply means molar mass.
18.
Correct? Everybody knows that? Everybody knows that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also know (18 gram) water is nothing but 18 ml? Hello.
Yes.
How? See.
1 mole of soap.
No. Density is mass upon volume. My dear, density of water is 1 gram per ml. Now, I don't know volume of water, so I get the formula. Volume is mass upon density. Molar mass of water, I got 18 gram. And density, you all know, I have 18 gram per ml. So in the reciprocation, this ml will go up. Yes or no?
Yes.
You understood what I did?
Yes.
Hello, everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
So this gets cancelled. And can I say 18 gram water is 18 ml?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what is the volume occupied by? Again, I am repeating. Volume of 1 mole water vapor. According to you, what it is at STP? What it should be? कितना होता है वो?
22.4.
Yeah, 22.4 liter. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liter at, hello?
STP.
STP.
But our volume 18 is in ml. तो मैं
Yes.
इसे ml, तो मैंने इसे ml में convert कर दिया. Do you understand how I got it in ml?
Yes, ma'am.
1 liter is
1000.
Yes.
liter means dm cube and centimeter cube means ml. Yes. So I want to find percentage volume. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is volume of water vapor upon volume of water vapor for 1 mole at STP into 100. This is how we find the percent. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
तो अपने को 18 ml दिया है, लेकिन होना कितना चाहिए? 22400 ml. So 18 is how much percent of 22400? What you are getting? Tell me.
Ma'am, option A.
Yeah. समझा कि नहीं? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Something.
Ma'am, garnish your previous page.
This one?
And Miss,
Ma'am, more
go to the
previous.
previous one.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Done? आगे बढ़े अभी हम लोग बच्चा पार्टी.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. How many questions over? 9 or 10?
9.
9.
Okay. Write the question with me. Another interesting question. Good now. I took some more numericals. What do you all say?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Yashvi is not answering. I'm taking for her only. She said miss more numerical. Are you understanding, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want somebody to read the question for the entire class. Who will?
May I?
Yes.
N2 is found in a liter flask under 100 kilopascal pressure, and O2 is found in another flask 3 liter under 320 kilopascal pressure. If the two flasks are connected, what is the resultant pressure?
Lovely, nice, wonderful reading. Okay, so let your big brain work. Tell me. What is it, you know, what kind of law, what it is like? To connect the two. Correct? If you see, P1 is 100 kilopascal. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
P2 is 320 kilopascal.
Yes.
Now, suppose I consider it as nitrogen, then V1 is 1 liter and V2 is 3 liter. Now P1, V1, P2, V2, everything is given. I know this. P1, V1 equal to P2, V2. Do you know this?
Yes, ma'am.
But everything is given. Yes or no? P1 मालूम, P2 मालूम, V1 मालूम, V2 मालूम. अरे भाई तो चाहता क्या है? अरे वो बोलता है P3 निकालो. P3 क्या बोलता है? P3. और जो कि इन दोनों को मिक्स करके, मतलब इक्वल टू नहीं है, दोनों को क्या करना है? ऐड. Correct? So, maths, simple mathematics funda. P3 is equal to, अरे भाई ऐसे तो करते हैं, P1 V1 plus P2 V2 upon total volume. याद है एवरेज मास वाला फॉर्मूला? Mass of A equal into percent of A plus mass of B into percent of B upon total percent equal to average mass. यही करेंगे ना? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to find total pressure here.
Yeah.
Then Dalton's law, total pressure is equal to pressure of A plus pressure of B. Like.
हाँ, but फिर वॉल्यूम कहाँ होता है उसमें?
नहीं होता है, तो वैसे नहीं कर सकते.
वैसे नहीं कर सकते. ये तो अलग अलग गैस का वॉल्यूम दिया है ना. वॉल्यूम इज डिफरेंट ना. दोनों का वॉल्यूम सेम है तब तुम कर सकती है वो. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me how much you are getting. You can do the calculations now.
65 kilopascal. Option D.
Option D. लगता है कैलकुलेटर यूज किया. सच सच बोलो. सच सच बोलो. Oh wow, so nice you are. अगर कैलकुलेटर यूज नहीं किया, बहुत सही स्पीड था. Lovely child. या आ जाएगा 100 plus 960 यानी 1060 है ना, upon 4. हाँ, easy calculation. Okay.
Ma'am, here how did we find?
What?
No, nothing.
Huh?
No, I did not read the question completely.
You understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now question number 11. You wrote that, no? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The density of oxygen is 1.43 gram per liter at STP. The density at 27 degrees centigrade and 700 torr will be 33.5. No. Oh my God, entire formula is rotating around unit. So values are not important here. Okay, first of all, what will be the formula? Most important thing is that only. D1 is 1.43 gram per liter. Hey, are you all there? I really get confused when you don't answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this is at STP. So T1 is, come on.
273 Kelvin.
Okay. And P1 is?
760 torr.
Lovely. 1 atmosphere is 760 torr. Mind blowing. D2? Pata nahi. T2?
300 Kelvin.
P2?
700.
700.
So which formula? All three are given. Do you know this? P1 V1 upon T1 equal to P2 V2 upon T2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know this? P into M is equal to D into R into T.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You know this molar mass of the gas is fixed because we are talking about oxygen and R is a constant. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So can I say D1 T1 upon P1 is equal to D2 T2 upon P2? Hello. ये P नीचे आया ना, ये नीचे आ जाएगा. No. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you can do. Tell me. ऐसा बनेगा ना, D2 is equal to 1.43 into T1, that is 273 into P2, that is 700 torr upon P1, that is 760 into 300. So this is gram per liter, this is Kelvin, this is torr, this is Kelvin, this is torr. So see, no need to calculate. It is clear. Answer is this one. ये समझा कि नहीं? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You understood now what I said. See.
Yes. At STP also it is given for gram per liter, so we can interpret.
Yeah. That is what I am saying. No. First we should see. We have to at least write and see any other unit is interfering or no. Don't directly jump to conclusion. Some places it may go wrong. ऐसा नहीं है ये ग्राम पर लीटर में तो नीचे वाला उसी में आएगा, ये जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन You have to write and interpret and see. भाई बाकी यूनिट मैच हो रहा है ना,
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? तो वो सब एक बार लिख के जरूर देखने का, क्योंकि कहीं कहीं वो मैच नहीं भी होगा. So write and see, but there was no need to calculate. मतलब in one stroke you should understand. अरे क्वेश्चन में सभी कुछ ABCD का न्यूमेरिकली तो वैल्यू सेम है, मतलब क्वेश्चन डिपेंड्स ओनली ऑन यूनिट. तो सीधा यूनिट ही सब्स्टिट्यूट करने का. ये जो मैंने 1.343 लिखा ना, ये भी तुम नहीं लिखते तो भी चलता. Only you could have substituted like this. See, you could have substituted like this. D2 equal to gram per liter into Kelvin into torr. Because your question totally is relying on the unit. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And no need to calculate in this situation. Khatam. Gram per liter is the answer. So were the numericals clear to you? Any page which you want to write?
No, ma'am.
All done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then that's all for today. Bye-bye. Enjoy yourself. Today you don't have mathematics class because today is the last.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Day of the month.
You're not having mathematics today. Okay. Give your best preparation today for tomorrow's exam. Tomorrow's exam is at 9 a.m. Okay. JEE NEET pattern. You know all the topics and everything?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What time is the exam?
9.
9 p.m.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, that errorless book, can we buy now?
I'll tell you about the book. Don't take anything right now. Just wait.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
please show the 9th question.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, next page. Next page, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, this one.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Done?
Yes, ma'am, done. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, everybody.